Friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve video call problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first what you need to do is that you have to move on this call app. Okay, just press this call app for the 3 seconds and move on this app info. When you click on app info, here scroll on the down and move on this storage and cache. Click on it, then here click on clear storage and click on OK. After clicking on clear storage, your video call problem will be solved. Okay, so friends, if by doing this it doesn't solve, then I'll show you another method. Here you have to move on setting. After that, here you have to click on the search bar and click for the reset. Okay, when you click on reset, here you can see reset all settings, so click on it. When you click on reset all settings, here you click on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then click on reset setting and confirm the password. Click on reset. When you click on reset, okay, your incoming video call problem on the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, this all network will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, by doing this also it doesn't solve, then just click the back button one time. Okay, click the back button and now move on this erase all data. When you move on this erase all data, at firstly what you need to do is that you have to back up your photos and videos on drive or to another device. Okay, then only select the account. After that, click on erase all data. Then your video call problem will be solved successfully. Okay, if it doesn't solve by doing this also, you have to move on service center of Vivo mobile phone, or you have to move on to local shop. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.